morning, Saugus. I'm John Cassady, and today is Thursday, November 20th.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstad. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Absurdity Day.
National Absurdity Day celebrates all weird things and unexpected and wonderfully ridiculous, reminding us that not everything in life has to make perfect sense. The idea of absurdity has even been studied in philosophy and literature for centuries, showing how humor and nonsense can actually help us think in creative ways.
Absurdity can show up anywhere, in silly jokes, strange traditions, or even random thoughts. Humans naturally tend to enjoy the bizarre because it breaks routine and makes our brains pay attention in new ways. Studies even suggest that humor, especially surprising or nonsensical humor, can boost creativity, reduce stress, and improve mood.
So today, don't be afraid to embrace the unexpected. Laugh at something goofy, enjoy the randomness of life, or let yourself be a little silly just because you can. And remember, Saugus, if everything around you feels absurd today, that just means you're celebrating correctly. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus's neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donated amounts to 1 service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301.
The Pad Project Drive is accepting donations of menstrual products until tomorrow. Each item is worth 1 service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours.
The Saugus Guitar Program will be hosting a concert today at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $5 ahead of time and $10 at the door.
Juniors, if you're interested in attending American Legion's California Boys and Girls State this summer in Sacramento, there will be an informational meeting today at lunch in the NPR for more information on how to apply. Now let's go to Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Hey, how we doing?
Doing all right. You know that cape is just absurd.
Oh, that's the reason I have it on. I'm participating.
Your hat's absurd too.
I think your hat fits you. When did you become part of the village
Hands
people?
behind your back.
All right. Anyways, there's so much up here right now. Let's think. First of all, congratulations to girls varsity basketball. They are currently 3-0 in the tournament they are playing in. They play again tonight. Great job. Saturday, Mount Sac College. We have both our boys and girls cross-country teams competing in the CIF finals. Great job. Good luck to them. Zoe Farrell and Allison Sue compete on Monday as a doubles team in CIF finals at Carpinteria High School, I believe that one is. So a lot of stuff going on, but there happens to be something pretty big Friday night.
Yeah, tomorrow night, Friday night, Apple Valley, Centurions, football.
You got anything more?
No, let's win.
Okay, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. All right, let's go to the Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week.
The first Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is varsity football player Ty Hall. Ty scored all 4 touchdowns in last Friday night's overtime win against Calabasas. We did not give student athletes the player of the week more than once, but Ty's performance was so spectacular that we had to make an exception. He was not going to be denied that end zone. I'll tell you what, he was a monster on the field that night.
He absolutely was. Extremely impressive. Another come-from-behind victory. 3rd week in a row. Kids just won't quit. They refuse to quit, And Ty last week was a highly motivated young man. So
Yeah.
fantastic to watch. Now, a little different this week. The next Jersey Mike's Athletes of the Week are all actually our on-campus football coaches. We want to thank Coach Ward, Coach Kwok, Coach Maxwell, Coach Steinman, and especially Coach Bourne. Just 2 years ago, this football program struggled through an 0-10 season. These coaches stuck with their plan and are now on the verge of having the most successful season in our school's history in regards to football. Great job with everyone involved with the football program. We are very appreciative and thankful of you, and fantastic job.
Yeah.
So a lot of exciting things happening in the sports world on this campus, all over the place actually. So I want to thank the cheerleaders and the band for showing up last week also. They were incredible. The drum roll from the band, they played throughout the entire game, and our cheerleaders did a great job supporting the kids. And they were as much a part of a football game here at Saugus as I've seen in a long time.
Absolutely. It was spectacular.
All right, that was long-winded. Sorry about that. It's Turkey Week next week.
Gobble, gobble.
Do you know why the pie went to the dentist?
No.
Needed a filling. All right, with that being said, let's head back to our anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Artem Melikyan with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, girls soccer plays Thousand Oaks, JV plays at 5, and varsity plays at 7. Tomorrow, football plays in CIF semifinals at 7 p.m. at Apple Valley High School. Tickets are available on GoFan. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. Track and field tryouts will be held December 2nd through the 4th from 3 to 5 on the track. Please wear appropriate athletic clothing and shoes. No spikes are allowed during tryouts. Boys tennis tryouts have been moved to Thursday, December 4th at 3 on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. That's all for me. To give you more ideas for dishes you could contribute to your family's Thanksgiving meal, let's go to Jordan, France with another edition of our series, Cooking with Thanksgiving Dishes.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jordan Franz, cooking with SNN. For today's edition of Cooking with SNN, we made candied yams.
For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 stick of butter, and 4 tablespoons of frozen orange juice concentrate. Scrub, peel, and slice your yams into 1/2-inch rounds. In a pot over medium to high heat, add your sliced yams, butter, sugars, orange juice concentrate, and spices. Stir until the yams are well coated in the buttery sugar mixture. Cover the pot and let the yams simmer gently for about 50 minutes. Once the butter and sugar start to melt together and bubble, it should look like a thick syrup. If your yams are still a bit hard, let them cook a little bit longer.
This has been Jordan Yams reporting for SNN. This is yummy.
Thanks, Jordan. Those yams look delicious. You sure brought some for us, though.
The Santa Clarita Scholarship Foundation is now accepting applications through January 16th. For more information on how to apply, go to scvsf.org.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk Essay Contest will be accepting submissions through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
Today is the last day to purchase a Thankful Gram from FBLA. If you are interested in purchasing one, you can get a Thankful Gram for $2 in the quad at lunch. Thankful Grams will be distributed tomorrow.
That's all for today. I'm John Cassady. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstad. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.
My mail's here.